Hi, everyone. It's Alicia, your Northern Virginia realtor. I hope you're doing well. One of the things I love about my job is I get to go out in the community and meet great business owners and people like June, who I have today, who is the owner of DJ Enterprises and Catering. How are you doing today, June?
I'm doing good today, Mrs. Sharp. How are you doing today?
I'm good. And I'm so excited to have you online because I want everyone to know about your business. And one reason is because your cooking is absolutely delicious. And I say that is because you have catered for my family at least 3 events, and you do it all. And every time we had an event, we're talking about either 10 people. Our largest event was like 50 people. Everyone says how great your food is. So I want everyone to know about you. So if you could just tell us a little bit about the type of food you do, how long you've been catering, your specialties. Let's hear all about your delicious food.
Thank you. My business, I actually started in May of 2016. My specialties are soul food. However, it's not limited.
Mhm.
I always love the ability to explore. I've done items for such as Jamaican food, jerk chicken. I've done curry chicken. I also cater items like for sandwich platters, appetizers, seafood boils, whatever the client requests. I've even had the opportunity to cater an actual vegan party. For me, I do also do temporary vending, which I also go and travel with my sister who owns Kathy's and Ty's Popcorn and Treats. So we're there, whatever, we'll do like a duo where she offers like snow cones and popcorn, and I can do chicken wings and french fries. I can do fried fish and fries, shrimp and fries, crab cakes and fries. Um, for me, with my business, I love the opportunity to travel. I'm willing to go, in different places, opportunities that allow me to. I love to, as long as I got that kitchen access or food vending capability, I'm willing to go across the world.
And that is true. And like I said, your food is absolutely delicious. We've had different events. You've done a birthday party for us, you've done Thanksgiving, you've done a graduation party, 10 people, 50 people. So you do it all. And I just want everyone to know about you. And even though we are here in Northern Virginia, like you said, you will travel. All they need to do is contact you and pick up the phone and talk, right?
Yes, ma'am. We do all special occasions. We also do repasses for funerals. I also do birthday parties, anniversaries, graduation parties, as well as I will do like quinceañeras. I've also had the opportunity to, cater for like something for Mexicans. So, hey, if you're willing to allow me to provide that wonderful catering services based on your needs, I'm there.
And I will say that your customer service is excellent and you do aim to please from the beginning to the end. You want to make sure that your customer is satisfied. So that's one of the things I really appreciate about you also.
Thank you.
So what I will do is I'm going to put your contact information in the comments, how people can get in touch with you, so they can just give you a call and have be one of your clients and taste your delicious food.
I'm looking forward to that.
So
Just give me a call.
I will put everything in the contacts and we'll let them know how they can get in touch with you. So thank you so